All right, we got a few tools here. Reset a few things. We're gonna finish boring this piece out. We got to bore it out 1 1/8. So I'm gonna have to set it up here. This right here is a boring bar. Yeah, it's supposed to be a tight fit, y'all. This is a lathe. Needs to be a tight fit. Let's see what we can do here. We'll get this old baby over here far enough to get this son of a gun done here. Yeah, we're almost there. We gotta do a few. Gotta set this baby down here, just a height on the cutting tool. Be sure we're close enough to center line on this thing. But you want your, I didn't knock the damn camera off of my head. You want this cutting tool here about center. Excuse my head, y'all, but I gotta look at this thing while I'm adjusting it. Okay, that looks pretty good. We'll lock the boring bar in, tighten down the base, run it through here one time, push the slack out of this old lathe, turn this puppy on and listen. You're gonna hear the intermittent cut here in a minute. Tick, 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 tick. Yeah. Got the tool set. We're gonna put the lathe in gear. You see, I don't know if y'all can see that. This shaft right here is turning. That's your lead screw. That's gonna allow mechanically feed this through. You hear it? That's called an intermittent cut. Okay, we through there. That's one cut. We're gonna back him out. We're not gonna move anything. We're gonna take these calipers right here. And we're gonna get a little OD adjustment right here and see what we got. Need to go cat a corner off of that. Let's see what we're. How close are we? Okay, we're looking for We're looking for 125, and right now we at 190. Let's see. Yeah, we're about 170. We need to be at 125. So we're at 170. So we 10, 20, 30, 55 thousandths. We got to take out this puppy. Now hang in there. It's a coming. Let's see. Put on this apron. Oh, excuse me, so I don't get oil and dirt all over my shirt. And we're gonna turn this puppy on, and we're gonna cut out another. Let's see. We're gonna take 10, 20, 30. That's 15 thousandths to the side. Here we go. There's that intermittent cut. Can't believe I ain't got my damn glasses on. There's something in my damn eye if I ain't already done it. We're gonna cut now. We're gonna cut 10, 20. I'm gonna read this baby one time before I make this cut. See what I got here. I don't know about that. Let me take another reading right here. Yeah, let's see. Take a cut and see what we'll get on. Now y'all see, I'm doing this same thing. I know. I hope I ain't boring y'all. I'm sure Cousin cut this up. I'm gonna give y'all a little closer look at this process here in just a minute if I can. But right now I'm trying to bore this puppy out and get this done. You hear that cut coming back out? That's spring. That's spring from this toolbar. If I was boring something where I had to really have it close, I'd have shortened this bar way up. But this is just the locking collars, all this is. But it's and it's hard. And on this smaller lathe, you just can't horse it. You got to take it slow. All right, we're gonna take another reading on this puppy. This time we're gonna do it with a button ear. Let's see what we got here. I got another 50 thousandths to go here. Actually, about another 48. I'm gonna take another cut. This time we're gonna go 10, 20, 30 again. See how this puppy does. See what we can get out of him. Now this time I'm gonna cut it on the way in. And I'm gonna try to take all the slack out. So I'm going to cut it on the way out. Now it's in reverse. It's cutting on the back side of the tool, so it sounds a little different, but it's cutting. Alright, let's see where we is here. So where I'm seeing it, we're at 170. 179. We're gonna do another 25, and then it'll be a light cut. Let's see. Let's see what we got here. See how much spring we got left in this puppet. Listen. You hear that? That's a couple of thousand spring. We're gonna take 10, 20. Lord, I must have backing up. I gotta put him back in firewood. Let's go. Line him up. Let's go. Get him on. Let's go. Hooty hoo. Got to do another 25,000. Let me answer this.